Welcome, today I'm with Samsung Galaxy S8 and I'll show you how to create a home screen folders. So the first step is just press to the application with your finger and drag it to another application by this way. So now you can see that you got the new folder, so you can give a name to your folder like the apps, for example. Tap to done, so you renamed the folder. Now you can just add more apps to your folder by tapping to the plus here, and now you can choose, for example, whatever you want to your new folder. Just tap to 8, and so you see that they added here to this folder. If you want, you can move your folder here near to the another screen just by this way, by pressing with your finger on the folder, and also you can take it back if you want. If you want to remove the application from this folder, just press for a while on the application and tap to remove from home. Also, if you want to remove just all the applications from folder, just this folder, just press with your finger to the folder and tap to the remove folder, and that's it. That's how it looks. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.